Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the test flight or the flight test for the 8810 mini foldable drone, popularly known as the Mavic Air clone. Actually, it is the smallest Mavic Air clone drone out there. So as you can see, it has a good lift up, but so far it's drifting a lot. You see that it took off. That wasn't me. It basically drifted away. So it is the first flight, so that shouldn't be a problem. All I need to do is just trim it. And if you watch my earlier video, I showed on the remote control where the trim buttons are actually on the left side. So I need to trim that, and hopefully it stays steady. But so far so good. This drone comes with a 2.4G frequency band for long remote control distance. Actually, the 8810 allows multiple flights at the same time without any interference. From what I've read, also, I've not tried that yet. You can also fly the drone and roll over, hover, take photos and videos using its app, and also it is Wi-Fi connectable to smartphones. So back to today's flight. As you can see, it does really well. It flies good, and it is pretty stable when it doesn't lose its trim. But what I've noticed is that once I trim it, and then I do say a round and come back, and then it starts drifting again, either to the left or to the right or front or back. So I'm not too sure what causes that, but it is a super flyer. As you can see, I'm really enjoy flying it. The remote control itself, it's a little bit tiny. It feels great to the touch, but it's a little bit tiny. And then since it's a slider, I believe I'm still trying to adjust to using a slider. Actually, this is my first slider remote control and my first time of using it, but it's pretty easy to maneuver. The different speeds are good. As you can see, it flies really fast, and also it is stable, but for the fact that it easily loses its trim or balance, it will drift after several turns. And one other thing that I've read about this particular drone is that it is not good to fly it under extreme conditions, say for example heavy rain or heavy wind. Yes, it is small, you can easily blow it off, and the wind can easily blow it off, and I see why. Also because it easily loses its balance, and of course most electronics are not good to fly under heavy rain and conditions like that. Okay, another good point is its battery gets fully charged thereabout between 60 and 70 minutes, which is not bad. It is foldable, easy to transport, and the only main concern that I have now is that it easily loses its stability. So for stability tests right now, I would not give it a pass mark, but maybe since it's its first flight, I need to learn a little bit more about the drone, and then trim it right. One great feature that I have not yet mentioned is that once the drone and the remote control are turned on, they automatically link to each other. You do not have to push the throttle up and down or click any button for them to connect. They just connect each other. So I find that feature very neat, and I really like that. So yep. And also it has 3 speed modes, the headless mode, and 1 key return. And also I think I will try that later. it has an emergency stop button, so that is very good, especially as it drifts a lot. You might take off, and if you hit the emergency stop button, that might save the drone or save an accident from happening. So pretty decent flight, nice drone. Only problem, stability. It drifts a lot, so I would have to try and see if I need to understand how to trim it better. But for now, I think it's a drone I'm going to enjoy flying. I like this drone. Please subscribe, leave your comments below, and see you all. Love you. Peace.